Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn how to create SEF URL for custom component. Just like we have a URL in our WordPress, when we create a post, its URL is automatically created and it is very clean URL, something like that, and it is the base URL and is more search engine friendly. So today we will learn how to create such URL for our Joomla custom component. I have a component. It is called LMS, Learning Management System, Tarbiat LMS, and it is listing the different courses which are created in this component. We have three courses, and we will create three different menu items for each of the detail of this single course. For this purpose, I have created a menu of type single course for this custom component, and I have been showing this inside the main menu. It is your choice if you want to show this menu item in main menu on home page, or you don't want to display on a main menu. Then you can create a hidden menu item type, or inside the link type under the display in menu, you can set it to no, and it will be published and but will not display inside the main menu. Because we are only creating this menu for SEF purpose, and its alias will be used as a primary URL, and which is more uh, SEF and more preferable URL for all search engines. Now, what we have to get from this menu item is the item ID, which is a item ID of our Joomla website. Note we have some extra URL parameters. Component name is the com_lms.ws. Its view is the course, and its ID is the database table ID is 2. Now this is the main view which is listing the courses. When we come to the code, this is the structure of our component tmpl folder, and inside the courses which will be displaying are the courses. We will open the default.php file. This is fetching all the database items, and getting the items are the courses inside our database table. Then I have written a function course menu from Joomla menu, and has passed that specific course ID to this function. This function will return the specific course ID and its menu item ID. So we are using the get menu uh, method of Joomla. It will get all the menus and applying the conditions for specific component, then matching that item ID, then matching that course ID, its parameter set in the menu. It will then finally return that if matched with the specific course ID, it will return that menu item ID. and then we will be creating a link. We are using the route class, which will turn this non-SEF URL into SEF URL, and here we are passing the component name as a parameter, view name after that specific view name, then the this course ID along the alias. We don't need it, and we can also remove it. Then specific item ID that we just get from the course menu from Joomla menu method. Now this will look for the that specific menu and will apply this menu alias. Now if I go to the front end of the website, this course link is set to that specific alias set for that specific menu. So it is pretty simple and easy to obtain the SEF URL just like the WordPress URL. If you have any trouble, you can ask. Cheers. Take care.